Well, hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I just coming back to show you guys what I'm eating on my cooking channel, and I did not cook, so that's why you guys not gonna see, me, preparing this meal. My husband is the one who cooked this meal. Let me show you guys. This right here, he barbecued these burgers. Let me show you guys on the grill. Okay. You see? So I did not cook this meal. And what I did, I put some pepper jack cheese melted on it. And then I got some, you probably can't see it because it's the hash pepper that we got for New Brits. It's kind of melt over the cheese. Yeah. But yeah, this is called grilled burger with pepper jack cheese, pickle, as you can see, lettuce and tomato. Okay, and you probably can see it when I bite into it. Okay, so that's the hamburger, and then he did barbecue some chicken, and I didn't want no hot link, some kind of salt hat. But yeah, he barbecued that. Okay, now these right here is baked bean. Okay, and this right here, it was I froze. These is fresh collard green. So what he did, he took it out. These my, when I have a lot of collard greens. So what I do is I freeze it. I don't throw them away nothing because stuff is so expensive. If you know what I mean, very very expensive. But that's the collard green. And sometimes when I have lots, I just go ahead and freeze it. I'm gonna put this top back on. Just showing you guys. And this definitely gonna be a short video. And again, this is what I'm drinking on, you guys. Yeah, that's what I'm drinking on. Okay. It's strawberry Fanta. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna take the first bite to see if I could see the pepper that we got from when we went to New Mexico. But I'm gonna go ahead. You guys get that bite. I don't mind. Okay. So I'm gonna take and see if I can see the pepper. I'm sorry, you guys. I thought I was taping. Wow. But you guys get that bite. That's the bush bean. Ooh, that's good. Okay, let's switch it. These the collard greens that I had prepared, and I just had some left over. Yes, these is really. If you ever want my recipe, how I cook my collard greens, the smoke still smoking, just go ahead and write it down in the comment. That's only if you guys want my recipe. Okay? So you guys got that bite? Okay? Oh wow. And that is so good, you guys. Have leftover, when you have leftover, right? And then when you have leftover collard green or whatever, oh, all that flavor is just so delicious. I guarantee. Very good. Okay, let's switch this back. Need to take a picture of the baked bean. That's the baked bean. Yeah, that's the baked. Just take a picture of it. Let me show you guys. See that? I guess you can see it. Let me take some the cheese out. I just want to show you guys the green chili. See the green chili? Mm-hmm. Yep, that's the green chili. You guys want a bite of that chicken? Mm-hmm. All right. So I'm going to get out of here because I am hungry, hungry, hungry. And I want my food to get ready. So I just want to come back to show you guys what I am eating on my cooking channel. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye.